Yeah, yeah. My brother lives in Virginia, so that's how I find it. I know, I got to wait. I totally set my mind to like reserve a seat so that I can I'm just gonna go from there to see it. Yeah. No comment.
They should update your boarding pass if it doesn't.
It's nice to like check in. Yeah, and management. Yeah, the requirements are good.
Oh, I don't want to.
Over there, you gotta have fun. Yeah, that makes sense as we're trying to get
Ladies and gentlemen, if you just have done this here at gate pass for Alaska Flight 9, service to Portland, here at gate C32, my name is Antonio, working with LE. This is going to be a completely full flight. Almost every seat on this aircraft will be occupied, so we are looking for about 20-25 people to check their board back to the final destination. Not all bags will fit in the overhead bin space. We'll be checking free of charge with a 20-minute guarantee to baggage carousel. Just a few reminders, it is an FAA regulation. You're allowed one personal, one carry-on item. No matter the size of that item, if you have more than two, including fanny packs, those do count as an item. Fanny packs, garment bags, within cabins, crossbody bags, those all do count as an item for personal item for the FAA. So if you have more than two, please take the time to consolidate. As well, if you do have a rollerboard bag with an expander or an extender on it, if it is expanded or extended out, it no longer meets the dimensions for the carry-on size back to the overhead bin space. Please try to zip those extenders down. If you're not able to, please use your podium and check that back to your final destination. Should you have any questions, feel free to see us here at gate C32.
Hey.
Attention members of the military. The units are from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Saturday and Sunday. The U.S. Lounge is located in Terminal 1, across from the airport's lost and found offices and by taking the airport shuttle.
They're in empty, right? And they have to clean it.
That's another one.
What did you do the Baba dance? What? The Baba dance is like
Yeah. Wow, very good.
That's exactly the look like that I got.
I might have been able to say one. Definitely. Exactly, yes. Exactly is. All right, you're going on your back to drop it up the jet bridge.
whatever it was.
Two at the bottom.
One is, I think, crispy chip, or crispy waffle, and then one, I don't know what cake.
And what did you order?
Something that my wife and I are sharing, so I have no idea.
This was on top of that. And no ranch.
We also have an extra
That's the best.
kit.
So like,
Looks great. Jerry, I also got an extra meal for you.
What is it?
Or for Daddy too. Just got some rice and hummus. You want to eat some of this rice? That's your chicken, honey.
Mom, what is it?
Okay, give it back to me.
Daddy, what?
You want a napkin? Hold it. Hey, Jerry, do you want some rice? Or chicken? Oh my gosh, this is good. Jerry.
I think it's a scam.
Bite of the chicken and rice. That's the chicken. And then here's the rice. Remember we've had yellow rice before and it's amazing? Mimi, Nanny, do you want to try this amazing rice? It's like the rice we get in
Yeah, Dip it in some water.
The big bars. Okay, Jerry, another bite of rice? You want rice? You like the chicken, Evie? Is there more chicken in there for them? Is there more chicken for them? Here, Jerry, try this. Because it's going to get everywhere, honey.
Yeah, I just think it's easier in the back. Like we can easily reach in and get it.
That's yours, Evie.
You can have as many fries as you want.
Here, hummus and pita, you'll like it.
You can have as many fries as you want.
Okay, great.
Mimi, do you like hummus or like a pita?
So every time I take a bite, put ketchup.
There you go. More chicken?
I thought it came with.
It did come with this. They didn't give it to us. They didn't send it back.
I think
They were getting busy right when we ordered and they forgot.
No, I didn't know they would.
You want another bite of that pita and hummus? I have a lot more ketchup packets.
And I'll be right back.
Okay. Evie, you want some pita and hummus? This is the kids' order. It seems like they're eating. But you can have, just pick it up and eat the rest of this one.
Any other color?
They have cheese.
You want to try a whole bunch of that? Here, Jerry.
You said no to mama. I think Eddie.
Jared, here's the perfect bite. Look at mommy, he's gonna eat a perfect bite.
I love a perfect bite. It's got pita, chicken.
Hummus. Ooh, but I'm gonna add the cherry sauce first.
Yeah.
You don't know that. Oh, he's not.
It's like an intense, very yeah.
I got one bread.
Kind of cool.
Like an order of like.
Baby.
like the wines.
Did you guys stop to eat before the grocery store?
That was it, right?
More chicken. No, I think.
Right over here. That's how
Did Daddy get you more chicken? Okay, look, he's getting it right now.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this time joining us for the gatehouse for our last flight. Time service to Portland, almost done deplaning the aircraft. As soon as you get into plane, the crew gives us a thumbs up. We'll get you guys all on board. Again, just a few reminders before boarding. This is the expedited boarding process. It is an FAA regulation. You allow one personal, one carry-on item. You find yourself having 1 to 2 items, no matter the size of that item.
Dad texted me.
Attention passengers, you have just left the South Security Checkpoint on pre-check. You have just left your black copy of resume. South Security Checkpoint on pre-check. I repeat, you have just left the South Security Checkpoint on pre-check. You have left your black Apple Watch. Please return to the jacket.
If I have one more bloody
Again, ladies and gentlemen, standing tax car bags, spending habits, truck money bags, this all do count with the FAA limit, so if you do have more than 2, please take the time to consolidate.
What's our, like,
Again,
when are
roughly
we
looking for about
getting?
10 to 12 more people to check their overboard bags. Not all bags will fit in the overhead bin space, so if you are willing to be able to check your bag, please use here at the podium. Once we do run out of overhead bin space, one will continue remaining overboard bag. If you do have an overboard bag with an expander or an extender or expanded or extended out, it will make sure the requirements for the overhead bin space. Please zip it down, or please get the podium, we'll take that back to your final destination.
Or are you gonna still eat that?
And as you make your way down the aisle of the aircraft, when we do begin our boarding process, please place personal items underneath the seat in front of you, carry-on items in the overhead bin space. One personal down, one carry-on item up. Leave room for as many passengers as possible to get as many bags on this aircraft. It is a completely full flight.
I want to buy this, so you put
Here.
like the one apple right.
We did our part. We have apples now.
Hold that. I'm sure it's
All right, Jerry, you want more?
You see the airplane up in the sky?
Jerry.
Thank you, mister.
What's up, man? You want the fine people? Jerry.
Here's another piece. Is it really good? I haven't tried it. I didn't know Smash Burger has chicken. She went to find ketchup.
You might be having trouble finding it.
What are you doing?
I'm sure she will.
What's up? Look.
Although your mother is being
But why is she? I don't want her to.
It's just what time you get on the plane is not where you sit.
And even though my family is I'm B and my family C, we're gonna wait till the end because it's
We
easier.
could get on with it. With this full flight, I feel like we
You
should
want
just
overhead
get.
space?
We should just and we should just get on when we're told to. And
Jerry?
I think we should open up a cookie
Jerry.
for once you get seated in your seat.
Jerry. Do you want to buy chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right now, or when you get home?
It's my time they tasted like that I'm sure it was and it looked like
Ketchup is tomato, so that's very interesting that you think it's all the
Mama has a habit of disappearing right before it makes it very
There you go. You guys don't want me to bring these other pieces of chicken and plate?
We can put them in this food bag. You want more chicken? Here, open up your napkin.